A very good afternoon and welcome to Movers and Shakers. Things are looking good for the equity market. But let's get cracking and go to the first management. We are talking about Manju Technopak today. The stock is looking quite good. It's holding up with a gain of about 7 to 8%. They have some expansion plans. So let's find out with the management. Vimal Kedia, the MD of the company, now joins us. Afternoon, Mr. Kedia. Could you walk us through this expansion plan that you'll have? What will it do to your capacity, the total amount you're planning to invest?
You see, we have an expansion plan which is coming up in Bangalore. We are putting up 2 new factories and the land has already been allotted by Government of Karnataka. We have a 15-acre land on Mysore Road and another 10 acres in Harohalli industrial area. The total investments planned are about 140 crores over next 2 years, and the capacities which we have at the moment, we have 30,000 metric ton capacity, which is highest in the country. By end of this year, we are adding another 6,000 tons. And with these 2 new plants coming up, we will be doing about 65,000 metric tons per annum, which will be one of the highest in the country.
Okay, so you expect your expanded facilities to be operational by this calendar year, that's December?
No, the facilities will be operational by December 2011 because the land has been allotted, and we will acquire the land in some time and thereafter start the building and move on to the project.
Mr. Kedia, you said that this 140 crore that you're planning to invest into for expansion would be over 2 years. How much would be this year and how much would be next year?
Yes.
And how are you planning to raise this money?
You see, this year we will be investing around 60 crores, out of which already 30 crores have been committed. We are getting some imported machines for production of PET preforms from Canada, and this money will be raised through State Bank of India as debt, and thereafter balance would be funded by us as a equity.
You've done about 140 crores in revenues in FY10. We believe your revenue target for FY11 would be closer to 200 crores. Once your expanded facilities start kicking in, what kind of revenues would you expect from all your facilities put together?
Yes, by next year when we start, the expansion is complete and these new factories roll out, we expect the revenues to be around 300 crores.
Okay, and just a word on your margins. Would you be able to maintain it? In Q1, there was an improvement. It stood at about 23 to 24%. Is that what you're guiding for the entire year as well?
Yes, I think that will continue because FMCG and other sectors are doing very well and there is a continuous growth year over year. Most of our customers are in FMCG, pharma or liquor industry.
All right, thanks a lot for joining us, sir. So that was Manju Technopak, which has embarked on an expansion plan and expects it to complete it by next year.
So all in all, things quite okay for the market. So we'll wrap up with Movers and Shakers, but Business Lunch is there to take all the market action forward.